In this video, I'll be showing you how to log out and remove your Samsung account. It's the best tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I'll be showing you two different methods for this. The first one is use Find My Mobile, which is Smart Things Find. So if you can't access your email, but the phone is still logged in and remote unlock was previously enabled, what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. So we're using Google Chrome for this, and then type in Smart Things Find like so, and then do .samsung.com. Once you go ahead and type that in, go ahead to the link and then just go ahead and sign in to the account, or just log in if you have the credentials. They could just be saved on your browser, or you could just try and sign in with Google if you have a Google account. Then what you're going to do is, once you're signed in and you're logged in, what you have to do is see your account, and then if you see an unlock feature, go ahead and press that. And that's literally it. That's pretty much it. You can also erase the data if you want to, make it as good as new, or you can unlock it from here too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, what you can also do is go over to your settings, then go over to Google, which is towards the bottom, then go over to manage your Google account, or just click your email at the very top, and then click manage your Google account. Then go over to the security tab. Now, once you're in the security tab, click on your devices, and then what you want to do is manage your devices. So we're going to go to manage all devices right here. Find your Samsung phone and then select sign out. While this doesn't delete the Samsung account, it can sometimes break the sync link, allowing you to perform a factory data reset from the settings without a password prompt. So go ahead and try that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.